I'm Nicole, and this is Darlene of New Jersey Teacher to Teacher. We're so excited to share with you our brand new professional development learning community called NJ Teacher to Teacher Team Collaboration Rooms.
We are hosting 6 live synchronous collaboration rooms beginning in February and running through June. The theme of our 6 series collaboration room is equity and justice in the classroom. Each session, we will focus on a different topic to help support the growth and improvement of your schools or district's culture and climate. Each room will be hosted by our 2 awesome consultants, Joe Cremona and Sarah Degnan-Barbie.
The goal is to fill the collaboration rooms each month with the best of the best, creating a learning team of education professionals such as administrators, teachers, support personnel to come together to have some difficult conversations and to strategize and problem solve.
We know your goal as an educator or an administrator is to create a school environment that is safe for all who attend, a place where your faculty, staff, and students feel welcome and accepted, a place where all who enter the building can flourish and achieve to the best of their ability.
We have been fortunate over the past 17 years to build a fabulous network of professionals who want to continue their professional learning. So please share this video with friends, colleagues, and anyone who you think might be interested. You can click on the link below to register or visit our website at njteachertoteacher.com.